Everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's another day. Bob, the Homestead with Sadie here. So after a long discussion with Robin yesterday, what I'm gonna do underneath the Futon, you gotta take in mind now, it's been a couple of days, so I had time to think about what we could do, talk to her, decide what we were gonna do. So, but anyways, speaking with her, deciding what I could do, what we could do to make it better. Yeah, make it better. What I've come up with, the idea of what we could do, is I'm gonna change the panels from, this is actually the front one I had put on, I took off. This holy stuff that she does not like. But I was trying to use everything I had up, so I wouldn't have to go buy more panels. But they didn't work out, of course. But I do have a piece out there. Hopefully it's long enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a different board on there. And I'm actually going to put two, not drawers, but not drawers, but cabinets. It's going to be storage underneath. So I'll make two drop down cabinet doors. That way you can reach and get whatever you got and then close them back up. So that's what I come up with. And it'll actually give, there's not much storage under there because that's where the wheel well is. But there is some storage under there. So get to it here. Give me a second to do something, and I'll be right back. So now we got to figure out where we're going to put the brackets. Brackets. Oh my God, I'm losing hinges. I figured, because the door, that's perfect. The door's 10.5. So that looks good there. 1.25 down. So as I was looking at 1.25 down, it's exactly what this is. So when I get my measurement, I can actually just put that flush and get the same from each way. That way when I put it on there, it's actually perfect. So what we got to do, get the screws out of there first so we can access them. But wow, that'll never happen again. Never happen again. We're talking a smidgen. and I'll fill them all the way in. Clean this up. See, it's dirty. Fill them holes in. Look at that. That turned out really well. And the hinges hold it. But I got a latch. I got latches that I'll put on. So let's go to this side. Screws out of there. Done. Done. That is excruciating. Well, hope you liked this video. Now that the futon / couch / everything above is to the way Robin wanted it. I hope you liked this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bell for notifications. See you on the next one.